10th class mathematics chapter 1 real numbers. If x equal to p by q is a rational number and q is of the form, that is denominator is of the form 2 power n into 5 power n, then x has a terminating decimal form. That is, the rational number has terminating decimal form when the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n. If x equal to p by q is a rational number and q is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power n, that is, the denominator not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n, then x has a non-terminating repeating decimal form. That is, the prime factors of the denominator of a rational numbers are only 2, 5. Then the rational number has terminating decimal form. If the prime factors of the denominators are other than 2 and 5, then the rational number has non-terminating repeating decimal form. Exercise 1.3, first bit, write the following rational numbers in their decimal form. First problem, 3 by 8. 8. Now we divide 3 with 8. 0.8 is 24. Remainder is 6. 0. 8 7 is 56. Remainder is 4. Because of decimal point we keep 0 here. 8 5 is 40. Remainder is 0. 3 by 8 equal to 0.375. It is a terminating decimal. Another problem, fourth one, 2 by 11. We divide 2 with 11. 11. We are keeping here 0 point. Then it becomes 20. 11 1 7. Remainder is 9. Because of decimal point we keep 0 here. 11 x 88. Remainder is 0. Because of decimal point we keep 0 here. 11 1 7. Again remainder is 9. Because of decimal point we keep 0 here. 11 8 are 88. Remainder is 2. It is continuing. So 2 by 11 equal to 0.1818 and so on. That equal to 0.18 bar. 18 is repeated so many times. So 0.18 bar. It is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Second, without actual division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal form or a non-terminating repeating decimal form. Without actual division. Without actual division, state the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal form or a non-terminating repeating decimal form. First problem, 13 by 3125. We factorize the denominator. If the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n, then the rational number has a terminating decimal form. If the denominator is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 to the power n, then the rational number has a non-terminating repeating decimal form. So we factorize the denominator first. Denominator is 3125. We factorize in 5 table. 5 6 are 30. Remainder is 1. 5 2 is 10. Remainder is 2. 5 5 is 25. 5 table. 5 1 is 5. Remainder is 1. 5 2 is 10. Remainder is 2. 5 5 is 25. In 5 table, 5 2 is 10. Remainder is 2. That is 25. 5 5 is 25. 5 5 is 25. 5 1s. 3125 equal to 5 to the power 5. 3125 equal to, it can be written as 2 power 0 into 5 to the power 5. It is of the form 2 power m into 5 to the power n. Therefore, 13 by 3125 has a terminating decimal form. Second problem, 11 by 12. We factorize the denominator, that is 12. Into 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 3 1 3. 12 equal to 2 square into 3. It is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Therefore, 11 by 12 has a non-terminating repeating decimal form. Next problem, 7th one, 129 by 2 square into 5 to the power 7 into 7 power 5. Denominator is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Prime factors are 2, 5, 7. Therefore, 129 by 2 square into 5 power 7 into 7 to the power 5 has a non-terminating repeating decimal form. Third bit, write the following rational in decimal form without actual division. Without actual division, we find the decimal form of the following rational numbers. If the denominators are 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on, then we find the decimal form of the rational numbers without actual division. First problem, 13 by 25. 13 by 25 can be written as 5 square. We multiply numerator and denominator with 2 square. 13 into 2 square 4. 5 square into 2 square can be written as 5 into 2 whole square. 13 4 52. 5 into 2 10 square. 52 by 10 square value 100. 52 by 100 is equal to 0.52 because there are two zeros. If we divide 52 by 100, if we divide 52 with 100, then the decimal point moves 2 places to left. So 52 by 100 is 0.52. Next problem, 15 by 16. 15 by 16 can be written as 2 power 4. So we multiply numerator and denominator with 5 to the power 4. In denominator, number of 2's equal to 4 and number of 5's also 4. 15 into 5 to the power 4. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, that is 625. Is divided by 2 power 4 into 5 power 4 can be written as 2 into 5 whole to the power 4. 15 into 625 is equal to 9375 is divided by 2 into 5 10 to the power 4. If we divide into 10,000, then the decimal point moves 4 places to left. So that is 0.9375. Next one, 7218 by 3 square into 5 square. 7218 by 3 square 9 into 5 square. If we divide with 9, that is 802 by 5 square. We now multiply numerator and denominator with 2 square. 802 into 2 square value 4, 5 square into 2 square, that is 5 into 2 whole square. 4 2's 8, 4 into 0 0, 4 8 are 32, that is 3208 by 5 into 2 10, 10 square. 3208 by 10 square, 10 into 10, 100. If we divide with 100, the decimal point moves 2 places left. So that is 32.08.